My friends, when we think about building muscle, most of us picture the gym, the weights, or maybe protein shakes. But here's a secret. Your muscles don't actually grow while you're exercising. They rebuild, repair, and strengthen while you're resting, especially at night. Sleep is not just for recharging your brain. It's when your body is doing some of its most powerful repair work. And here's where nutrition comes in. The foods and nutrients you give your body before bedtime can either supercharge that rebuilding process or quietly sabotage it. 1. Vitamin D. Think of vitamin D as a signal switch. It helps activate genes in your muscle stem cells, the very cells that repair and grow muscle fibers. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can feel weak and fatigued, even if you're eating right. Taking it at night ensures your body has what it needs during those repair hours. Most people think that the secret to building strong, healthy muscles lies entirely in the workout itself. The lifting of weights, the repetitions, the sweat, and the effort. But here's a fascinating truth: your muscles don't actually grow stronger while you're exercising. In fact, during exercise, your muscle fibers experience small amounts of stress and microscopic tears. This is why you often feel sore afterward. The real transformation, the repair, the rebuilding, and the strengthening takes place not in the gym, but when you're resting, especially at night while you sleep. Sleep is far more than just a time to recharge your mind. It is a biological workshop, a period when your body shifts into repair mode. During deep sleep, growth hormone is released in greater amounts, and this hormone plays a central role in repairing damaged tissue, regenerating muscle fibers, and even promoting fat metabolism to fuel recovery. Think of it as your body's construction crew, working tirelessly while you lie still. If sleep is cut short or disrupted, your muscles are left without enough time to complete this repair cycle, which can leave you feeling weaker instead of stronger. This is why the hours you spend asleep are just as important as the hours you spend training. Imagine two people doing the same workout. One sleeps deeply for 7 or 8 hours, while the other barely manages 4. The first person's muscles will rebuild, adapt, and come back stronger, while the second person's body struggles to recover and may even lose progress. The difference isn't the effort in the gym. It's what happens during rest. Nutrition also plays a key role in this process. The building blocks for repair don't come out of thin air. They come from the vitamins, minerals, and proteins you give your body. When the right nutrients are available in your bloodstream at night, your muscles can knit themselves back together more effectively. Without them, the repair process is slower and less efficient. That's why sleep and nutrition form such a powerful partnership in muscle health. So the next time you think of fitness as only about lifting heavier weights or pushing harder, remember this: your true gains are made in the quiet hours, when you are resting, dreaming, and giving your body the chance to rebuild itself stronger than before. When it comes to rebuilding muscle overnight, the nutrients you provide your body are just as important as the rest itself. While exercise creates the need for repair, vitamins fuel the process, making it more effective and complete. 4 vitamins in particular: vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B12 work in harmony with your body's natural systems to strengthen and restore your muscles while you sleep. Each of these plays a unique role, almost like different specialists on a construction team, making sure the work of rebuilding is done properly. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but its importance goes far beyond bone health. In your muscles, vitamin D acts like a switch, turning on the genes inside stem cells that trigger repair and growth. Without it, muscles can feel weak and fatigued, even if you exercise regularly. At night, when your body releases growth hormone and your muscles are in recovery mode, vitamin D ensures that the signals for rebuilding are loud and clear, helping fibers mend and regain their strength. Vitamin C is best known for protecting against colds, but its deeper value lies in collagen production. Collagen is the scaffolding that gives structure and resilience to your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. After exercise, tiny microtears appear in these tissues, and vitamin C provides the raw materials needed to knit them back together. Taken at night, it works quietly in the background, reinforcing the connective tissue that supports muscle function and keeping your body flexible and strong. Vitamin E is another quiet hero. Every time you exercise, your muscles face oxidative stress, tiny bursts of free radicals that can slow down healing if left unchecked. vitamin E acts as an antioxidant shield, neutralizing this stress so your body can focus on repair instead of damage control. At night, while your muscles are busy repairing, vitamin E ensures the environment is calm and protective, allowing healing to take place without interference. Finally, vitamin B12 provides the energy your muscles need to rebuild. Even while you're asleep, the repair process is energy intensive. B12 helps your body convert nutrients into usable energy at the cellular level, ensuring that your muscle fibers have the fuel required to regenerate. Without it, the repair process can be sluggish, leaving muscles undernourished. Together, these four vitamins create a powerful synergy, turning the quiet hours of sleep into a period of remarkable recovery so you wake up stronger and ready to move forward. Not all vitamins work in your favor when it comes to nighttime recovery. While certain nutrients help your muscles repair and strengthen as you sleep, others can quietly get in the way of that process. Two in particular, vitamin B6 and vitamin K, are essential for health, but the timing of when you take them matters. Taken at night, they can disrupt the very cycles of rest and repair your body relies on, which is why it's better to keep them for the daytime. Vitamin B6 is a fascinating nutrient because of how it interacts with your brain. It plays an important role in neurotransmitter production, including serotonin and dopamine, which influence mood, energy, and mental focus. During the day, this is a great thing. It keeps your brain active and alert, helping you think clearly and feel balanced. But at night, that same stimulating effect can work against you. Many people who take vitamin B6 before bed report restless sleep, vivid or even unsettling dreams, and difficulty reaching the deep stages of restorative sleep. Since muscle rebuilding depends on those deep stages, especially slow wave sleep, B6 can actually sabotage the very recovery you're helping to encourage. The vitamin itself isn't harmful, it's simply a matter of poor timing. Vitamin K, on the other hand, is well known for its role in blood clotting and bone health. It also helps regulate calcium, a mineral critical for both strong bones and relaxed muscles. The challenge with taking vitamin K at night is that it can shift calcium balance in ways that interfere with muscle relaxation. Instead of allowing your muscles to fully unwind after a day of activity, it can create subtle tension that reduces the quality of rest. For older adults in particular, this can mean waking up feeling stiff rather than refreshed. Taken during the day, vitamin K supports bone strength and cardiovascular health, but at night it may interrupt the natural rhythm of muscle recovery and repair. Both vitamin B6 and vitamin K are essential for overall health, and you absolutely should include them in your nutrition plan. But by understanding when to take them, you allow your body to work with its natural circadian rhythm. During the day, they enhance focus, bone health, and circulation. At night, however, it's best to let your body rest without their influence, so your sleep becomes a time of deep restoration, not disruption. The timing of nutrition can be just as important as the nutrients themselves. It's not only about what you eat or which supplements you take, but when you give your body those building blocks. Muscles thrive on rhythm, the rhythm of activity, rest, and repair. During the day, you push them with movement, exercise, and daily tasks. At night, you give them a chance to recover. And if the right vitamins and nutrients are circulating in your bloodstream, at the very moment your muscles enter repair mode, the results are far more powerful than if those nutrients arrive at the wrong time. Think of it like a construction site. Imagine having workers show up at midnight to rebuild, but the supplies don't arrive until the following morning. The crew can't do its job properly without the raw materials. That's what happens when you exercise hard during the day, but don't provide your body with the right nutrients at the right time. On the other hand, if the materials are there, stacked and ready, the repair crew works efficiently, fixing damage, reinforcing structure, and even upgrading the strength of what's already there. This is the partnership between nutrition and timing. When they align, recovery is maximized. Taking key vitamins such as D, C, E, and B12 at night ensures that when growth hormone is released during deep sleep, your muscles have everything they need to respond. They rebuild fibers, restore energy reserves, and lay down stronger tissue, all while you're unaware. By morning, you're not just rested, you're actually stronger than when you went to bed. The quiet hours of sleep become an active time of healing. The reverse is also true. When vitamins that overstimulate the brain or disrupt muscle relaxation are taken at the wrong time, they can interfere with sleep cycles. This doesn't just leave you tired, it prevents your muscles from reaching the full depth of recovery. Progress slows, fatigue lingers, and the body feels older than it should. That's why timing is such a critical but often overlooked piece of health. The body is always ready to heal itself, but you can either work with that natural rhythm or against it. Choosing the right vitamins at the right time transforms sleep into a tool for strength, energy, and resilience. It's proof that small, thoughtful choices each evening can lead to powerful, lasting results for your body and your health.